Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get how to make like a song, like a YouTube video or anything your ringtone. So what you're gonna need is an app called Cut Ringtone and Cut Music, or like it doesn't need to be that. It could be like a cut like ringtone thing. You're gonna go to YouTube and say I want the song Aftershock to be my ringtone. So it's not too bad of a song. So yeah, I want like this part to be my ringtone or something. So I'm going to share, copy link, and you're gonna need to go to something called YouTube to MP3 converter, and you're going to see this, and you're gonna have to paste, then convert. It's gonna take a minute. You're going to download. Then you're going to go to that app that you have. Then you're going to go to select audio files. And then it should be right here. There's two. You're going to go to trim. There's some ads though. It's fine. Then this is how you trim it. So I'm gonna trim it like that. I'm gonna pause the video until it's trimmed. Okay, guys, I'm back. So it is finished. You have to press the thing on the top right, the SIM card with 26, and you're going to save. And then you can make default, or you could sign it to a contact. I'm gonna just press make default. For some reason it doesn't work, so you're gonna need to go to your settings, and then you're gonna need to find it in your ringtone somewhere. So there you go, guys. This is how to change any ringtone to a YouTube video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.